This 2021 Keystone Hideout 301 DBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, external shower, skylight, refrigerator, spare tire kit, water heater, air conditioning, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, awning, smoke detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bath, front dinette, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Hideout 301 DBS is 8,669 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.